One, two, three.
Welcome guys to our channel Esperanto Social. Tonight we are in Aceh Jaya and we are in the stand of Panga, and we have a great Aceh traditional, and we have also have a boat here and many natural resources. But tonight I'm with my friend. I'm going to ask him about about this house and also everything that comprises in its house. Tonight I'm with Mr. Esperanto, Mr. Musafir Ramadhani. What do you think, Mr. about this house?
Alright, as we know, there's this very unique house. There's only one in Aceh province. Can you imagine that? This house is without nail. Every single room we don't have nail. And then we got a pillar. This is a pillar. Every pillar is very strong. When earthquake happen,
Yes.
they never fall down. Even though when elephant attack this house, cannot attack because this is very unique house. Very unique. There's only one in Indonesia. Aceh province. This traditional house I'm paying. When I get a guest from Europe, United States, United Kingdom, Australia, they be very proud for Aceh because this is very unique house. We cannot find people around the world this house, very unique. But the point is, this house, Aceh house, very traditional around the world. Yeah, I think that's all.
Thank you very much, Master, for your explanation about the houses and also everything that comprises in the house. And I think we are going to move to another stand to make the explanations further. And I end this by saying Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.